Hi everyone, in today's tutorial we're taking a look at how you can change the grid on the canvas in Cricut Design Space. Here we can see we're on the canvas, and if we head up to the username in the top right hand corner and select that, we can see settings. If we now click on there, it takes us to Design Space settings, and we need to select the option that says canvas. If we click on there, we now have options for the canvas grid. We can have a full grid, a partial grid or no grid. The units we can have are imperial or metric, and operation type yes or no. The grid choice selected at the moment is no grid, so as we can see here there's no grid selected. We can now select a partial grid, and that is going to look like that, or we can go back into it and we can select a full grid, and that's how that looks now. And the units that it is showing us is metric. If you wanted to use imperial units, simply select imperial, click done, and there we can see now it's going to show us a full grid with imperial units. I personally like to have a full grid like this with imperial measurements for ease of designing, but depending on what you prefer, you may prefer to have a partial grid or no grid, and you may prefer the measurements to be in metric. It really is down to personal choice, but that's a quick and easy way how you can alter your grid settings within Cricut Design Space. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you again soon.